Jai Shri Krishna. I'm going to show you my most special project that I recently completed. Watch till end to know why it is so special. The project was to create a mascot based logos for Digital Warrior, which is a digital agency. So just like my other projects, I came up with a sketch. I created basically Arjuna as a character and added these digital lines to go with the name Digital Warrior. The client was very specific. He wants a mascot based logo. So this is what I designed and client really liked it in the very first go. Then I went and I colored it. So I provided him with these two color options, gold and silver, and a text like this, so it matches well with the mascot. It's a custom typography. So client really liked it, except this tiny bit. He said he want to change it. So I just provided him these two options and he finalized this one. So this is a quick overview of how I completed the project. Now why it is very special. Number one, when the client approached me, he said he has already talked to a lot of designers and he actually like a lot of them, but he want to get this project done by me only. The only reason was he saw a story of mine on Instagram where I was in ISKCON and he was also a Krishna Bhakt and was associated with ISKCON. He said our vibes match and I'm very confident that whatever you will design with all your heart and I will accept it as it is. So this is a sign to post stories based upon what you do in your regular life, be it sports, be it family functions, be it your extra activities, or even you're just going for work. Because sometimes clients don't want to work with just based upon the skills, but also based upon the vibes and how you are as a person. I'm not saying you should be posting religious pics. Whatever your lifestyle is, I think you should just be posting it so people know what kind of person you are. And number two, why it is very special, because client said he trusts me, he will take whatever I give as it is, and he actually accepted the design in almost first go. Just that tiny bit he got changed, but other than that it was done in one go. No special variation, no revision. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and follow me for more such videos. Bye.